Hello, this is Ben Mayo, your Vice President of Global Sales Systems, back with a quick video on how to create an email script and then also how to use an email script once you've created it. So I am logged into the Mannatech desktop platform, and it's from here that I'm going to create an email script. If I go into Prospecting, Email Scripts, and select that, this is a listing right here of all the current email scripts that have been created. Some are by the corporate office that we've created and are already into your system. Then some of them are ones that I've created on my own. If you look at adding an email script, I'll click on that up here. This is how we go about creating a new template that you can use on any of the methods of sharing an asset. So let's go ahead and just create one so that we can take a look on how this would be used once it's created. So title, I'm going to say brand new email script. English, so what language are we going to be able to use this in? You can select that. Marketplace, I would recommend not using this at this time. If you put it into a specific marketplace, you'll have to always go up here and select the language or the market as to where you've defined it. So if you put it into a market where you wouldn't typically look and see, it won't always show up. So I would leave it in an area where your settings are already established. So if you're when you log in, if you're in the United States, I would add it to the United States marketplace. If you are in going to add it in English, make sure that these match up so that it will always show up in your templates. Hopefully that makes sense. You want to make those match. Make this match with this and make this match with that right there. That way you know that it'll show up in your system. Email subject, brand new email. This is what's going to show up in the subject line of the email that you're sending out. And this can certainly, you can go back and edit it, but this is what will pull up when you get ready to send an email out. Next, we would go into the email itself and create the email. So obviously we can make this whatever we want it to be. I'm just lacking, I guess, at what words to say. I'm then have gone into the top right to add media so that it's the video I want them to check out. Select the box, add the selected. Okay, and then you save the script. So now it shows that the email script has been saved. It shows up as a brand new email script. Now if I want to use this template, how I would do that is, there's a couple of different ways, but the one I'm going to show you right now is when you send an email. One-click email. So you select who you want to send it to, and then you select the template that you want to use. There's the subject line we created. If I wanted to add a file to this that I haven't already, I can go in here and change the name out. The video is already posted in, and then I can right here agree to the anti-spam policy and then send the email. Quickly, I did want to share with you how to send an email out using the template by not using the one-click email, but just going to this section here where it says send an email. There's another video series on this or a segment but this is where you would go to select the template. It auto-populates. You go here. You have to type in the name of the person that's in your contacts. So you can't add a new person here, but it would have to be somebody that's already set up in your contacts. Select it, edit it, agree to the anti-spam policies, and send an email. So that's another way to use the template. Also, the template will show up in your Mannatech Plus mobile app. So if you go jump in there, you'll also be able to see that when you send an email, you have the opportunity to select a template. Hopefully this is helpful in being able to create a templated email, or what we call a scripted email. I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.